Hi guys. Today, we will demonstrate the operation process of PP Battery Automatic Repair External Cable to restore battery health for you. First of all, this is an iPhone 11 that has been repaired, and its battery health is only 77%. Let's start. First step, remove the two bottom screws. Turn off the phone. Remove the phone screen and take out old battery. Second step, tear off the black sticker on the battery. Gently break off the battery cable board. Be careful not to bend it. Then use ceramic scissors to cut the battery board. And clean up glue residue on it. Third step, transplant the new battery cell with spot welder. Cut the lugs of the new cell to appropriate size. And click and spot welding the small battery cable board. After the spot welding is completed, put the battery black sticker back to its original position. Finally, take out PP Battery Automatic Repair External Cable. Bend the cable to the right. Adjust the buckle. Put the battery back into the phone. Waiting to boot. At this time, it will pop up, important battery message, and show, service, reminder. Turn off the phone. Restart it again. Enter the setting interface. And battery health restored to 100%. Elecworld has a professional and strong technical team. Our parts are with perfect quality, competitive prices, and extremely fast delivery. We look forward to collaborating with repair shops, wholesalers, and refurbishment companies all over the world to help your business grow and profit. Please subscribe to our channel. We will continue to bring more updates.